Welcome back, friends. This is the continuation of the organic chemistry topic. As we discussed in the previous session about the structure of alkanes, in this session we are going to continue the concept of homologous series. Kwa tunaposema homologous series ni nini? Homologous series ni nini? I know some of you never heard about the name homologous series and you don't know anything about homologous series. So don't worry. Every family of organic compound, it consists of homologous series. Every family of organic compound has the homologous series. So when we are talking of alkane, we have the homologous series of alkane. We have homologous series of alkene, homologous series of alkyne, we have homologous series of alcohols, homologous series of carboxylic acids. Now, the first thing that you need to know about the homologous series is that homologous series is the series of compounds with similar chemical properties which differ by this unit, which you call it as ethyl. Such series have the following characteristics. So this is the series of organic compounds, and they possess similar chemical characteristics. While in terms of physical characteristics, always the physical characteristics, they tend to vary with a certain trend in the homologous series. So these characteristics of homologous series, they are very important because they are most often asked in the exams by teachers. So it is very important for you to understand about the characteristics of homologous series. Kwa hiyo kwanza kabisa, all members of homologous series, they obey the same general formula. So they have the same general formula. All members of homologous series, they have the same general formula. So all members obey the general formula or molecular formula. For example, in a homologous series of alkane, all members, they obey CnH2n plus 2. In alkene, CnH2n. In alkyne, CnH2n minus 2. Sasa hii hapo unaweza ukapewa in your question unaweza ukapewa different formulas, then ukaulizwa, are these members present in the same homologous series? Kwa hiyo unatakiwa uingize kwenye hii formula. Ukiona zinakataa, ujue these members, they are not in the same homologous series, because members in the same homologous series, they must obey the same general formula. Then the second characteristics ni kwamba each member differ in molecular formula from the next by CH2. Each member differ in the molecular formula from the next by CH2. For example, in alkane, we have CH4. You see? Member anayefuata ana C2H6. Ukiangalia, chukua huyu minus 0. Chukua hizi hydrogen na carbon minus 0. Haya, carbon 2. Kutoa moja inabakia moja. Hydrogen ngapi? 6. Kutoa 4 inabakia 2. So it is CH2. Lakini pia unaona C3H8. Chukua huyu minus 0. Carbon 3 toa carbon 2 unapata carbon 1. Hydrogen 8 toa hydrogen 6 unapata hydrogen 2. So every member differ from the next by CH2. That means in terms of mass wanatofautiana kwa ngapi? Kwa 14. Mass kati ya huyu na huyu wanatofautiana kwa 14. Na ndio maana huyu unakuta na ngapi huyu? Huyu ana 16. Ana 16. 12 jumlisha 4 16. Huyu hapa atakuwa na 30. Huyu hapo ukitaka kupata usipate shida, jumlisha tu 14. Hiyo ni 44. Yani hiyo ni utake ustake, because they differ by CH2. That is the second characteristics of members of the same homologous series. Then the third characteristic of members of the same homologous series, all members, they show similar chemical properties. All members, they show similar chemical properties. Member wa homologous series wote wanakuwa na similar chemical properties. Kwa kama members watareact, let's say, with oxygen, they burn in oxygen to give or to produce oxygen, to produce carbon dioxide in the water. Members of the same homologous series will be undergoing the same type of chemical reaction. What will differ is the amount of product which is produced, but the type of chemical reaction which is taking place is the same. Lakini number 4, the general properties of members change gradually in the same direction along the series. So what we are saying ni kwamba kuhusu physical properties of members, kwa mfano boiling point, freezing point, zina tend to increase with the increase in number of carbon atoms. Hii tulishaona kwenye table pale juu. Nilikuonyesha kwenye table ya alkane hapa juu. Ngoja turudi hapa mara moja uweze kuona. Unaona? For example, these are melting, these are melting and the boiling point. So tuna melting, tuna boiling point ya hizi compound. Unaona hii ilikuwa negative 88, negative 172. The melting point tend to increase with the increase in number of carbon atoms. Also tuko na negative 162 hapa tunafika hadi kuna 36, 69, 98, 126. So that means the boiling point increases with the increase in the number of carbon atoms. Na hii sio tu kwenye alkane, ni kwenye all members of the same homologous series. So the general properties of members change gradually in the same direction along the series, such as in alkane, boiling point and the freezing point lies with increase in the number of carbon atoms. So for example, we have this alkane, which is, we have this methane, which is the gas. We have C512, which is a liquid, and C20 H42 it is the solid at ordinary temperature and pressure. That means unaona huyu ana carbon moja ni gas, kwa maana gas maana kana boiling point ndogo, then huyu ana carbon 5 ni liquid, boiling point yake maana imeongezeka. Kati mwenye carbon 20 ni solid, that means the boiling point is so much higher. Lakini tukija the last property of the members of the same homologous series ni kwamba general methods of preparation are known which can be applied to all members of the series. Other homologous series are alcohol. So tunazungumzia general methods of preparation, tutaenda kuona huko mbele. Preparation of alkane, preparation of alkene, preparation of alkyne, preparation of alcohol, preparation of carboxylic acids. So the general mechanism of preparing these compounds in the laboratory, it is similar. Yani kama tunataka prepare alkane, what will differ is just the number of carbon atoms of the reactant or the salt which you are using to react. But the general property, labda kama tuna react the salt of carboxylic acid with a certain compound, all members of the same homologous series will use the salt of carboxylic acid. So what will differ is just the number of carbon atoms in the salt of carboxylic acid, kama ambavyo tutaenda kuona baadaye. So we have many homologous series, and for your case of O level you have just 5 homologous series. You have alkane, you have alkene, you have alkyne, and then you are going to study about the homologous series of alcohol, which are the general formula CN H20 plus 1. Then you have hydroxyl at last, and then you have the homologous series of carboxylic acid, which is CnH2n plus 1, then COOH. So for your level we discuss about the 5 homologous series, which are alkane, alkene, alkyne, and the homologous series of alcohol together with the homologous series of carboxylic acid. So this marks the end of homologous series session, and it's very important for you to understand the characteristics of homologous series, because failure to understand this will lead to your bad performance in many parts of organic chemistry. And from there we shall discuss about the concept of nomenclature of alkanes, and not only alkanes but the nomenclature of all organic compounds. And then after knowing the nomenclature of all organic compounds, it is also the nomenclature which is used in the alkanes and other types of the organic compounds. So thank you everybody, and this marks the end of our session. Stay tuned for the next session of the nomenclature and other continuing sessions of organic chemistry. Thank you.